Here we are looking at an excellent product from Questyle. Questyle has been making some high quality audio products, DAC amps and that kind of stuff. I couple of years ago reviewed their M15. That was a high quality USB DAC amp, but that was only USB. What I have here with me is the M18i. Now this is a interesting product because this one has Bluetooth and can be used as a USB DAC amp too. I will show you. I will definitely show you the workaround and everything within this box, within not box, within this video. So yeah, stick together with me. Let's open it up. I'm not exactly sure about the pricing of this product at this point of time, but what I have gathered is that this might be priced around 300 to $350. So this one is not going to be a very cheap product, and Questyle, as I told you guys with the CMA18 2, does not make cheap products. Their products are slightly on the expensive side, and which is okay, but for a USB DAC amp, USB Bluetooth DAC amp, that's slightly on the expensive side. $300 is fairly on the expensive side. You guys can see it's a good looking box, very similar to what the CMA, not CMA, M15 came with. Now this one has ES9219, you guys can see, and the power output is around 280 to 300 MW. They have not mentioned if it is via Bluetooth only or it is with the USB DAC amp too. So that's not exactly clear. This one has Bluetooth. Now one interesting thing is that this one has Bluetooth 5.4, which nearly no other audio product, audio DAC amp at least, has. Most of the DAC amps use 5.1 till date, and some of them have 5.2, 5.3 max, but none of them have 5.4. So if we look at the size, this one is around 50% bigger than the M15. This is fairly big. You guys can see the size. Questyle CMA SIP inside, M18i, mobile headphone amplifier with DAC. So it's a lightweight yet kind of big unit, not small for sure. Yes, there is a Bluetooth module inside and battery, so this one is not small. So let me see how to turn it on. So this is to turn on. M18i, nice. So this one is seeking for Bluetooth pairing. Let me put it on USB mode. Okay, so no data, USB PCM. Gain is high, so this is the gain button. Gain, you guys can see, low and high, and this is the volume up down. Now this is nice. I'm not exactly sure if this one has a app or not. This is the battery percentage, that is a very good thing to have, and this is the charging port. So this should definitely enable it to charge while playing, I believe. So yeah, just look at the kind of thing they have done. This is kind of laughable, to be precise. CME 18 doesn't have dual USB-C port, but this smaller tiny M18i has dual USB port for charging and USB. So this is kind of funny how these brands tend to work around the stuff. So this is looking nice. Nothing exactly fancy here. So you guys can see this is Bluetooth, this is PC desktop mode to be precise, and not mode, desktop usage. It will work with Windows 10 and above, Android 5 and above, and that kind of stuff. So yeah, gain, MFB, motherboard function button. So yeah, this is looking nice. I'm not exactly sure how much battery life this one will offer, but we will definitely see what happens with the battery of this one. Looks nice, looks very good to be precise. So I do not think there is any workaround needed. I will check if it is a app or anything like that, and then I'll do a workaround and we will see. So this is it. Initially I thought, what's there to do a workaround of this simple USB DAC amp. So I thought, no, I do not need to do anything like that. But when I used it, I kind of felt that I can do a bit of workaround. So yeah, so as you guys can see, this is fairly comprehensive at this point of time. This one is in desktop mode, or you can say desktop compatible mode. This one is phone and this one is Bluetooth. Let's turn it on. It does not take a lot to turn it on. Keep it this power button, hold this power button for around 2-3 seconds and you guys can see gain is on high, battery is 98%, USB PCM, volume is at 50, volume is capped at 60 to be precise. Let me be uh, precise about that. It's capped at 60, so that is perfectly fine, no issues there. I keep it around 50. In my initial use, I can say that this is very powerful to be precise for a USB DAC amp, and the sound quality is fantastic. It has no flaws when it comes to end extension and the whole spectrum. Yes, there is a bit of emphasis to bass, but it does not lack the roll off. It does not have that M15 kind of roll off. So this is very capable. Now the workaround is mostly based on this button. Okay, when it's on Bluetooth, it is just ready to pair it up and you are good to go. When on desktop mode, okay, or in desktop compatible position, what happens is that it charges from this port too. Okay, so while using with the mobile phone, you can turn it on, you can put it in between in the desktop compatible mode and it will charge from the mobile phone. It will draw power from the mobile phone, and it definitely will extend the battery life of this device. And when in phone mode, it will not charge from the mobile phone, and the battery life in the phone mode, I am not exactly sure, but it is in the 8-hour range. Okay, it has a 500 mAh battery and it is around 7 to 8 hours. I'm not exactly sure, I'm unable to pin it at this point of time because I haven't used it extensively. But yes, I feel that it is in the 8, maximum 8 hours range. So put it in desktop mode when the battery is on the lower side. Now this display dims out. Okay, it's not like it is remaining in this brightness throughout. It dims out, it does not turn off. Okay, when you are using it, when you are playing something, it does not turn off. And there is one thing to keep in mind, it's not like it can be used in power off position. Okay, power, turn it off. Okay, it turns off after a while to be precise. Okay, it turned off. Now you cannot use it with anything. Okay, not only Bluetooth, you cannot use it without turning it on. So it has to be turned on to be used with everything, to be precise, with your desktop and mobile phone. It has to be turned on. So that is one bit that I felt was not necessary to implement in this circuit, but that is there. I'm not exactly sure why, but that is there. So this is the workaround of Questyle M18i. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.